This is Project Phoenix, an E.C.D custom Land Rover Defender 110, built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in full gloss Aintree Green with black accents. Project Phoenix sits on 18-inch Sawtooth wheels with BFG all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 features a 6-point full external roll cage, tubular A bar front bumper with worn winch, E.C.D custom steering guard, 4 LED round spotlights in the front and 2 in the rear. On the inside, Project Phoenix features a Momo Prototipo steering wheel with custom hot rod gauges, RECARO Orthopeds front and mid-row seats, and 2 inward-facing benches in the load area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond, Nappa Ferrari leather, stitched together in orange. Phoenix is powered by our LT1 455 horsepower engine with 8-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 also features an array of modern elements such as touchscreen stereo with infinity Kappa sound, rear AC, and access to USB connection.